Welcome to AD Pari. This is an induction on SAP module. I'll walk through the kind of SAP journey in AD Pari. I can tell you way back in 1909, I can tell you that time almost say 22, 23 years back, AD Pari is one of the few companies implemented EAD Pari in India. That time EAD Pari we used to have a kind of different business like we have sugar, we have ceramics, sanitary business, we have fertilizers, pesticides, we have a kind of Pari confectionery, and there's a traded products. Okay, so that time across all the India locations, including almost I can say 30 plus factories across various line of business, what I explained earlier, we have started this journey in 1999, and we have implemented 4OB. That time it's called 4OB. And that journey started. We completed the Big Bang approach in 2000 year. Also, we that time one of the prestigious project, and almost 80 plus team members worked very hard to move that the legacy system to the SAP, including all the process. Okay. From there, we moved to 2013 because there's a technical upgrade we need to go because no longer 4.7 SAP is not supported. We migrated to technical upgrade in 2013, and 16-18 we have implemented based on the controls. Also shared services we have done so that all the changes can be, all the data can be centrally managed by shared services team. Also we have implemented various GST controls. We have done automation, CapEx, workflow, and other system also. In between 19 and 21 we have done the SAP re-implementation using SAP HANA. So SAP moved from traditional kind of thing, more mobile based application as well as the Fiori app. HANA is nothing but the speed in which, because it's completely heavily loaded transaction system. So SAP they come with the called in-memory computing HANA. So also we have done the migration, re-implemented SAP. That time we used to have EAD Pari and Coromandel one landscape. During the implementation we split the landscape, and we have implemented a lot of new features like how we can use mobile for purchase order approval. I'm saying some. Also we have a lot of workflow inbuilt with custom master, vendor master. Also we created the PRPO, other things. Also we use industry best practices. Also we integrated GSC invoices seamlessly with the GSC portal. So this was the overall SAP journey. And if we talk about SAP typical manufacturing process we are using in EAD Pari, one is that accounts payable. For example, starting from your procurement to payable, everything is happening through SAP. Accounting for payables, goods, services, including your master and data, everything is centrally managed. Okay. Then we have receivables. So all accounts receivables, billing process, everything is happening in SAP. Next one is fixed assets. All your assets, it's captured through SAP fixed asset model through. Once we are using CEP to get that approval, and once you procured any material, we'll create asset code. Also any assets are getting transferred, we use ATR, we use RFWD for retirement. All your depreciation calculation, everything using through SAP asset model. All your inventory, inventory management, and we have material master, everything is we are using through inventory management. We have purchasing, or including your PR, PO, including everything is happening SAP MM model. This is purchasing also. Goods received also, everything is happening. After you do the purchase, once you receive the goods, all your goods receipts are happening in the SAP using the receivable process. Also we have record to reports, nothing but your entire financial bill, including chart of accounts, general ledger, journal entries, period and closing, everything is happening in record to report process. Sales, entire sales is happening through SAP, not in the kind of BISAM is one of the model where the field staff use, but all your back-end sales team they use SAP to create a sales order, they'll create a customer sales order, delivery and invoice, everything is happening through SAP with all the controls. Also entire SAP master data, HR master data, everything is in SAP. Payroll, everything is processed using central system. If we talk about typically in manufacturing, we are procurement to payable process, order to cash process. We have I can say raw material to inventory process. Then we have a record to reports, and we have a MIS and reporting. So predominantly that's what it's happening in the manufacturing setup. And you know very well, any system, master data is very, very sensitive, very critical. If a master data is not correct, your entire transaction data will go for haywire. So what we have done is that even for example, any material code if you want to get or you want to procure any material, if you don't have a material code, you have to raise a request through workflow. It will be centrally managed by one person in the company who checks any duplicate material codes are there or not. Then they'll say that as there is a material code can be created in SAP, it will be communicated back to the user. So if the already material code is available some other location, we'll extend the material code. So what we are talking about master data is very, very sensitive, including vendor master. Vendor master also we have a port. So people have to raise a new vendor, they have to go to the portal and raise a vendor master, and centrally will be managed, including your vendor, customer, employee, and the material masters. It's happening through material master data governance. So about our backend complete system, we are using one of the best software in the world, SAP. Also, it's very, very auditable. Entire audits, statutory audits are happening through SAP system only. All your quarterly audit or half-yearly audit or annual audit or stat audits, everything is happening in the SAP. Okay. Thanks for listening, SAP model.